this year also will collaborate with some companies outside to conduct sharing courses, especially on video editing, understand the CAM's regulations, our aviation authorities regulations that must be obeyed, because recently, you know, Gatling and pilots will be grounded. Then everyone have to register your serial number, your IC, everything. That will be very messy. Alright. Of course, here we would like to generate
So the picture is really something wrong about it. So it's again this one. Okay. So, but the feature is more or less 90% same as this wireless SSD. As you can do the wireless. I mean, use it as a power bank, use it as a router, everything. And the price is here. This is the one we're going to give away. So this is the first prize. So for the second prize will be the black SSD. For those, I mean, that who have who has like the superpower, I mean the supercomputer or the high performance computer, you want to add on the SSD, okay, this is one for the second prize. And the third prize would be, okay, how much is cost? 999, okay, and this one is actually cost, no promotion? 719, okay, for the second prize. And the third prize will be the My Club Home. I think most of the people in for this one. Okay, and the price, I mean the how much it cost? 7 something. Yeah, 749 for this one. Okay, how many terabyte? 3 terabyte as well. And also we come up with 4, okay, consolation prize, which is My Passport 1 terabyte. We have 4 of it. Okay, so now we go for the rules and regulations. So by entering this contest, so the participants are agreed to come by the following rules and regulations, whereby the entries are open to all joint users. Whether, okay, you are the DPCM club members, but we prioritize to our DPCM club members. Okay, so far in our Facebook we have close to 5,000 members, isn't it? Yeah, we have close to 5,000 members. I believe we can easily to pick those winners from the list. So secondly, the duration of the aerial footage should be not more than 1 minute. Okay, you all can edit at a phone, okay, or using your laptop or any video editing software to edit it. Okay, the duration not more than 1 minute. So please mark your post to public. You can share this. I mean that you can share this video in your own page. Okay, provided you need to hashtag Western Digital Festival 2019. Why Western Digital 2019? Because our theme for this competition is festive season. Coming soon, we have Chinese New Year, we have Thaipusam. Okay, it's a good opportunity for you, like, of course, some places you cannot fly, I don't know, alright? So you can go and shoot this footage, okay, to portray the festive seasons of Malaysia. Alright? So hashtag this so that the panel judges, again, the panel judge will go through all of the video that you hashtag. Without a hashtag, we cannot do it, so you cannot win anything. Okay? If you didn't put your video to the public, means you put it only for your friend list, or only for you, or only for certain people, so we cannot view it, so no prize. Okay? Remember, must put it under public and hashtag Western Digital Festival 2019. Okay? And the deadline of the submission will be 23rd of January this month. Thaipusam is on 21st, right? Good enough. And then surrounded here, we are going to have a lot of the Chinese New Year, activities nearby, so you can go and search for it. So the footage must be genuine and original. Okay. And personal information collected from the entrance will be used for this contest only. Okay. So we are not going to sell your data or sell your video to third party, or even though to whatever the thing that is the video is good or not. No. Okay, we just build it, and then your data, including your email, your phone number, okay, your own private information, you will use for this contest only. So last but not least, the organizer reserves the right to amend the rules and regulations without giving prior notifications or any reason thereof. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so starting from now, and for your gift. Wings is just only for previous works cannot, right? Can opposite.
Can
As long as it's I mean the
stable.
durations are not less, they're no longer than 1 year, so we think we still can use it because we understand the durations quite tight, okay, and the deadline is on 23rd. So go back and grab your 10 terabyte of the footage to see whether there are any plastic footage inside or not still. Okay? Any questions? Okay, thank you.
Every unit that we ship, we come up with a password, but you can change it. But in case you forget it, right, we stick this sticker on the drive. Huh? You can think about it. So now, of course, you can go in as an admin, and then you key in this one, and then you change it, then you tear away this sticker. It's okay. The important is we want the user to enjoy the drive, not keep the drive because cannot set the wireless password. Yeah.
So does the access rights will actually equal out, average out the family
Okay.
for those 6 to 8 users?
First come, first serve. First come, first serve. Yeah. Okay. Of course, there's a tool, right? One is the admin, one is the guest. Guest certain things cannot do. The admin can do is that I can connect to the public Wi-Fi. The admin can do. The user, the guest cannot do. Yeah. But once you let the guest, right, to access your folder, right, you can see, you can download.
Consistently, 6 users
Yes.
want to store their data.
How to store 6 times?
They log in 6
Okay,
together,
that means, no, what I mean is that
copy paste
first thing,
together.
you try it out lah. 6 will be okay. But it depends on what you upload into the wireless. If photo should be okay, but video will take long lah. Okay, now try to max up. Who is going to test it out?
Yeah, we need to test
I
it.
think y'all can try me to help because we never have people crazy for video and then so many people. No, we never have. No, I never have this kind of group. But y'all are using it, help me to test it out how durable or what is the max that you can. I don't even have a drone. I don't even have a camera, so I do have the environment to test. Y'all can test because you got 1 minute. Yeah, you can test at the field and then feedback to me. Hey, you're gonna see maximum 2. Let me know. So that when I share next time, I will know maximum is 2. Let's say the full HD movie I say is 4, means tested already. But this one I'm not sure. But they can help you to test out. You all go fly together and then see.
Is it recently you talking about the wireless device to pull in as a micro SD and direct to the
This question Nikon asked last week. Okay, they want to have shooting wireless and then wireless backup into this.
Yes.
Okay. They are talking to engineer again. But maybe
Nikon some model can do wireless transfer in full, but not to others brands.
okay, the one wireless means you already capture, then transfer wire.
Battery to
Wi-Fi,
battery.
But to me is you burning 2 sort of battery. Why should you burning the camera battery?
sometimes it's instead of LAN, take the memory card out, plug in, it's wasting time.
You never try this. Maybe you try the USB.
John cannot.
Oh, SD, Wi-Fi SD card reader. Card reader can plug in.
Direct light feed from our
I think
drone
so.
to the
I
SSD.
think that live cannot. Okay, live can do for the black magic transfer to the USB Type-C.
Nikon some model can.
I think more and more camera come out with this option.
Yeah,
Direct.
they will come out.
Yeah.
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment. Yeah, I think the most can supply one.
Not because Western cannot do it. Is the manufacturer.
Both side lah, the camera and also.
They need to commentate.
Using the slot, SSD slot, suddenly come out with a solution. Plug in, and of course will take the power from the battery of the drone, but it's wireless. Right, we are talking about.
The thing is, wireless transmit is only not the transmit of new video, it's only the fetch, because whatever we view on the phone line, do mean that the time when we fly, when we shoot direct transmit,
Yeah.
I think the DJI has to solve the problem whereby the remote you're able to receive the high full resolutions.
No. It's between from the transmitter to maybe SSD. Has nothing to do with that.
I think it depends on the distance.
Yeah.
Quite far.
Because of the distance that you need by let's say we fly for 500 meter distance. So for the distance,
Bye-bye. Cannot see you.
it's quite
Cannot see what I
well, even though, is it got any joint that support?
Can support all the full res video transmission during
So
flight.
far it's 180.
Ah, Full HD 1080. So if let's say they can done this, I think the technology is there. It's just-
Okay, you can try lah. You have a 1 minute to play, right? Let's see how. But I think live cannot.
Live.
Live cannot. Live because of Wi-Fi limitation.
Yes, communication.
Wait for 5G to come lah.
Yeah, that's right.
I think more and more things come up. Yeah. Now that's why now all the camera, right? They also recording the video. Same time they want to directly convert, even pass through all these micro SD cards straight away go to the device. Type C. Yeah.
Because I think so. Second quarter or third quarter of this year, drone will come out with 5G drone. Direct to cloud.
Yeah.
So I hope we
trend.
don't go to the public cloud. We go straight to our personal cloud.
Oh, yeah. I think there's a lot of collaboration behind. When the product is ready, we'll sure will announce.
Okay.
Don't worry. We will not want to miss any opportunity.
We may high hopes on yesterday.
Thank you.
All right. Any more questions about the competition or anything? No. Yes. Oh, okay. Hungry. All right. So if you want to ask more questions, you can ask personally, and if you want to try over the clouds and everything, questions you can ask over Davies. The products testing over here, right? So we will end our events today, and we have you can call it tidbits or some lunch to enjoy your food, and we have some discussions later in among our groups, right? Thank you very much, and thank you everybody for being here. And we hope to have more collaboration with Ron and also with Sandy. Thank you. Thank you.
So if let's say it's well organized, like for example, you go over here, you can share connect to the crowd, this or that. But if let's say you want to use this as a router, right? Okay, come here. I'll show you. Router. Okay, you want to use it as a router, right? You have to connect this to My Passport 5G first, okay? And then you go to the My Passport locker for Mac. Okay, you go inside. Okay, you go to the Wi-Fi. Okay, over here they will search which network you're going to use.
Or you must connect to the Wi-Fi first,
Yes, no. This one connect to this one.
Okay.
And then use here the UI. Okay, connect to the Wi-Fi list that you have.
yeah.
So once I connect to Wi-Fi, you can see the connected devices how many. So
It's like router to sharing.
yes, router to sharing. So which means now you can see that one device which is my phone connected to this, and then I am actually connected to the Wi-Fi. So which means this one connected to the Wi-Fi, I connect to this one, means the device can access the internet at the same time I can access to a drive.
我幾重啊？如果係 SSD 啊
呢個啊
，SSD 幾重？
嗰隻啊，
冇啦，呢個
我哋開好多。
呢個
有
less than
SSD，
500 gram，仲未開喎。
冇咯，呢個。